In this video, I'm going to give you the 1-minute scalping trading strategy for TradingView, and this is definitely going to amaze you. This indicator is highly specialized in the overbought and oversold levels, and we will improve this indicator by adding another indicator, and you will be simply amazed by the signals and the accuracy of this indicator. You can use this indicator on the 1-minute, 5-minute, and the 15-minute time frame, but if you want to make some quick profits just like fire, then you need to work on the 1-minute time frame, because this indicator setup that I am going to explain with a couple of indicators, they are going to work heavily on your screen, and you will be going to love this trading setup. So before I jump into this video, if you are looking for the best broker that charges very low spreads from you and that is highly reputed and never does any kind of a scam with you, so this is one of the broker. I have given the link of the broker in the description of this video below. This broker offers you variety of trading accounts, as you can see on the screen, but my recommendation is to go for the standard account. I'm using this broker from 2015 and never have had any problems with withdrawals, and it hardly takes 1 minute for the withdrawal to reach into my trading account. Okay guys, so now just have a look on this indicator. Like, this is just a free indicator you can use completely for free. You can see that it is using some sort of Fibonacci levels as well, and we have the bands that are representing the overbought and oversold levels of the market, and we also have a moving average setup into it. So we are going to understand that what the indicator is about. So that's why I'm going to remove it from here, and now we are going to the indicator section here. Okay guys, so one more thing before I add this indicator on my screen. So if you're looking to get my paid indicator, that is the private indicator, then please find the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video below, and you can book the lifetime version of my premium indicator. Okay guys, so into the indicator section here, you need to write moon dog. Okay, sorry, moon, and then you need to write without space, that is called dog. Okay, moon dog without any space. If you will give space, then the indicator will not come. Okay, so moon dog, and that the name of the author is Zenthor, and you can see that this is just liked by 13 traders till now, which is a clear message that this indicator is not known by much of the trading community so far. They do not have any idea about this one. Okay, so we will go about the settings of this indicator. Let's do one thing. If we can go and remove the moving average if it is possible. Okay, so EMA 1, EMA 2, so let's have a look. Yes, we can do it. Okay, so just remove the moving averages, so you can change the settings by yourself as well. Okay, but I'm just to save the time in this video, I'm just going to give you an idea that you do not have to change any of these things. You just keep them as by default. Okay, if you want to remove the moving averages, it's your style. Okay, it's your style if you want to do it. Okay, so overall it's not about trading just with that indicator, because this indicator has multi-functions. Like, it has plotted the low level here, it plotted the high level from here. Also, you can see when the moving average is into the green color, it's a buy signal. When it's purple, it's a sell signal. But we are not going to use it like this way. We want some proper confirmations. As far as I have judged from the indicator, if you just have a look from the oversold levels, it has also displayed a yellow candle. So the yellow candles here doesn't mean a buy and sell signal. They are actually representing that this could be this could be a trend reversal for us. Okay, so we are not going to take these signals blindly. So that's why we want proper confirmations. Okay, like for example, we have the low point here, the price is moving up, and mostly if you ask me about my trading experience with the Fibonacci levels that you can see into the background, then if it is reversed from the zero level, then it has many chances to touch the 50 or the 61.8 level, and then again from these levels the market get reversed. So your take profit should be from 0 to 50 or 61.8, that I personally like a lot for the take profit. Okay, but here we are going to add one thing so that we can improve our trading decisions. So I'm just going to add another indicator that is called trend intensity. So if you write trend intensity on TradingView, then this indicator will come, that is kind of a overbought, that this is kind of a RSI type of a thing, and you can see that it is giving us a signal. So this indicator is highly specialized. For example, when the market reached to the overbought levels, if the market is straight, do not take any kind of a trade. Okay, so this indicator saves you a lot of from a lot of fake signals. Like for example, you must be looking for a sell because it has already plotted a high, but you need to check this green line. It does not crosses the green level below. Okay, it should cross the green level below. Let me explain it through here. Okay, this green line should cross this green line below, and that should be directed downward. But right now you can see that it is straight at the moment, so it means that the price can again go back into the upward direction. Okay, so if we look at this scenario, it was overall straight here, and here it crosses the red level. Okay, so I'm going to mark this arrow so that you can understand. Look at this point. It is the green line directed upward, and it is crossing the red level. So let's have a look here. So almost here we get a buy signal here. Now you can see, guys, the market simply went into the upward direction, and till now the market is straight. So that is why I like the trend intensity indicator a lot, because it saves you from the from the moves. Okay, so for example, look at this concept. It was straight, directed downward, but didn't cross the green line here, and now you can see the market movers deceived you, and many people entered into the sell positions from this level. But what happened? Again, they took the market up. So the trend intensity indicator has actually saved you. If you just look at this part, here we have the crossover on the red line here, almost at this level, right? Okay, almost a crossover here, and then you can see the price simply moved into the upward direction. That is why this indicator has a big importance in, near to my eyes. Look at this. It crosses somewhere here, and then you can see the gold pattern. It simply went into the upward direction. Until now, we do not have any other crossover. So this indicator is far better than using RSI and other. So use this indicator in combination so that you should be saved from the maximum losing trades that are given by the normal Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci, and all type of indicators. You need to avoid such type of trading. You need a very strict approach for your trading, and this video is very strict. Like you will be getting small opportunities. Opportunities after so much long time, but if you trade this opportunity on the 1 minute time frame, then it is useful. So for example, this is the good. Look, this here we have a almost crossover here, and now the trend should go on the weakening side. So go with the proper confirmations. Like for example, look at this part here we have the bullish crossover, and then you can see the trend simply went up. So take these decisions, because this is the very good indicator, and take your decisions according to it, and you can practice it for a few days on the demo account, and you will definitely love this indicator. So guys, what do you think about this trading strategy? Let me know into the comments section. Moreover, please subscribe the YouTube channel, like the videos, and share this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.